If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Revolut account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on your profile icon or the More option at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option. Tap on it to access the security features of your account. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. You should see an option to disable it. Tap on it and follow any prompts to confirm your choice. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may receive a confirmation message. Review your settings to ensure the changes have been applied successfully. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be turned off for your Revolut account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.